Bonjour. Hi, everyone. Do you find that we are here in front of the provincial house too often as New Brunswickers? If we are here weeks after weeks, months after months, that means there's something who's going wrong in this province. Because when things are going very well, each of us, we are in our communities, working to make stronger communities. And when we are here too often, that means there's a problem the way that province is managed. Today, I want to talk to you because, you know, we talk a lot about the NB Power deal. But I want to talk to you about the necessity for our province to have a public automobile insurance, because our government is talking about self-sufficiency. But all those companies who make business here in New Brunswick around automobile insurance, where the profits are going, leaving the province. And if we talk about self-sufficiency, I think New Brunswick needs a public automobile insurance system, and then the profit will stay here, and we can use that money to pay part of our public services. Je trouve que c'est important. On a parlé beaucoup de la vente d'énergie Nouveau-Brunswick, mais je pense que c'est aussi important. Il y a des sujets, que ce soit un système d'assurance automobile public, que ce soit de construire des hôpitaux, ou des palais de justice, ou des routes à travers la province, à travers le public.